Everyone thinks the best-selling cordless lawn mower is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. The Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower is a standout option priced at $449. What caught my eye is its powerful performance that claims to exceed gas-powered mowers. If you want serious cutting torque and runtime, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this mower could change your lawn game. With a high-efficiency brushless motor delivering up to 6 ft-pounds of cutting torque, you're getting the power you need to tackle even the toughest grass. The included 56V6Ah battery gives you up to 55 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for most yards. Plus, with 7 cutting height settings, you can customize how short you want your grass to be, whether you prefer the look of a well-manicured lawn or something a bit more natural. The quick push-button start and bright LED headlights just make it that much easier to use even in low light. Now, some people complained about its weight. At around 67.5 pounds, it can be a bit heavy for some. Here's the thing though, if you have a medium to large yard, the power and performance you get more than make up for the extra heft. Just be prepared for a little workout. This is perfect for you if you're serious about lawn care and have a decent-sized yard. Skip this one if you have a very small lawn or struggle with maneuvering heavier tools. For the quality and performance it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if the weight of the Ego Power Plus bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WRX-14 Cordless Lawn Mower. The WRX-14 cordless lawn mower is priced at $236.45, and it's compact and lightweight, which immediately drew my attention. If you want something easy to handle without sacrificing power, this is definitely worth checking out. What makes this mower stand out is its quick start 40V power through 220V batteries. The IntelliCut technology is neat because it adjusts the mower's speed based on grass density, helping to save battery when you're in easier patches and giving you full power when you hit the thicker stuff. Plus, at just under 30 pounds, you won't have trouble pushing it around, and the collapsible handle is perfect for saving storage space. However, some users found the cutting width of 13 inches a bit limiting for larger areas. I get that if you have a big lawn, it might feel like you're stuck going back and forth more often. But for anyone with a small yard, this is a non-issue, and the lightweight design is a huge plus. This mower is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you have a larger lawn to maintain. Considering the features and performance, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more cutting width. Product number 3, Greenworks 40V16 Cordless Lawn Mower. Next up is the Greenworks 40V16 Cordless Lawn Mower, priced at $239.99. The first thing that caught my attention is its lightweight design, making it super easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a mower that balances power and ease of use, this might be the one. This mower can cover up to 1/3 of an acre with its 4Ah battery, which is pretty impressive. At 35% lighter than steel deck mowers, you'll find it doesn't tire you out as quickly. The single lever height adjustment is a breeze to use, letting you choose from 5 different heights to keep your lawn just how you like it. Plus, it has a maintenance-free design, so you won't have to worry about gas, oil, or emissions. That said, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, averaging around 35 minutes. If you have a larger yard, you might need to plan your mowing sessions or have a backup battery ready. But honestly, for most smaller to mid-sized lawns, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This one is perfect for you if you want a lightweight mower that's easy to use for medium-sized yards. Skip this if you have a larger property that requires longer runtime. For the price and the features, it's a solid choice. Now, if you want something even lighter but still effective, you might want to check out this next mower. Product number 4, Lawnmaster CLM2413A Cordless Lawn Mower. The Lawnmaster CLM2413A Cordless Lawn Mower comes in at a budget-friendly $144. What I love about it is its compact size, which is perfect for small lawns. If you want an affordable option that still gets the job done, this is a solid pick. It has 5 cutting positions that can adjust from 1 to 2.55 inches, so you can customize your cut depending on your lawn's needs. It uses a 24V max battery that runs at a speed of 3,700 RPM, giving you decent power for smaller jobs. However, some users have noted that it may struggle with thicker grass. If you're in an area where the grass grows really dense, this may not be the best fit for you. But for anyone with a typical suburban lawn, it should handle just fine. This mower is perfect for you if you need a lightweight and budget-friendly solution for small lawns. Skip this if you have a larger or more demanding yard. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want a little more power without a huge jump in price, the next mower might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5. LawnMaster CLMF 4815E Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower. Last but not least is the LawnMaster CLMF 4815E Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower, available for $159.98. The brushless motor caught my eye because it promises quiet operation without compromising power. If you want a little more torque and a quieter experience, this could be your match. It also has a variety of cutting positions from 1.4 to 2.5 inches, which is great for adjusting to your lawn's needs. One of the coolest aspects is the lightweight design, making it easy to carry around, and the foldable push handles for compact storage when you're done. That said, the battery life is similar to others at around 35 minutes, which could be limiting for larger lawns. Some users mention that they wish it could last longer, but for average-sized lawns, I think it performs quite well. This mower is perfect for you if you want a quiet and efficient mower that won't break the bank. Skip this if you have a very large yard to maintain. For its features and price, it's definitely worth considering. To wrap it up, we covered the Ego Power Plus, which is powerful but a bit heavy, the WORX, which is lightweight but has a smaller cutting width, the Greenworks, which is easy to handle, the LawnMaster CLM 2413A, which is budget-friendly and compact, and finally the LawnMaster CLMF 4815E, which offers power and quietness. Depending on your yard size and mowing needs, any of these could be a great fit.